this is Ivory Monique with IMO Crochet. I'm so glad you're here today. All right, so this is my introduction video. I have been crocheting for 6 years. I have decided to teach others. I learned how to crochet right here on YouTube. I started watching Crystal Everdeen, and that's how I got started. I watch others as well, but that's the one that got me going. Shout out to Crystal Everdeen. She has some great videos. I do crochet what's trending. I crochet what I like. I create things, you know, it's just kind of random. I also crochet by request. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. I will answer all comments. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And I can't wait to crochet with you.